green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, and white color. So kids, now you draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and U is green color. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, again use green color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. Kids, neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And U is yellow color, yellow color. I for eyes, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. It's again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And U is red color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. The alphabets of Q. R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, again use red color and draw S. S for sun, S for snack. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. The alphabets of U. Kids, neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And U is blue color. W. W for wallet, W for watch. X. X for X-ray, X for telephone. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, neither numbers. And first letter 1 and use red color. 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, neither 6 and use blue color. The numbers of 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids neither 11 and use green color. The numbers of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and use black color. 17, 18, 19 and 20. Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, and white color. So kids, now you draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z, and first you draw A and use green color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car. Kids again use green color and draw D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan. Kids again use green color and draw G for God, G for glass, H for hand, H for helicopter, I for eyes, I for ice cream. Kids now to J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J and use yellow color. K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. Kids again use yellow color and draw O for orange, O for octopus, P for parrot, P for penguin, Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids now to R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R and use red color. S for sun, S for snack. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. V. V for van. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids neither W. W for wallet. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for telephone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers. And first state of 1. The numbers of 1. And here is blue color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6. The numbers of 6. It's again use blue color and draw 7. S E V E N 7. 8 E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. 10 T E N 10. The numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.